Online class for kids. For more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Hello! Today we are going to explore what's on the road. Come with me on the road. Street, a public road in a town or city. Say, street. Let's have street light, a light pole or a street lamp. Say, street light. Crossroads, a place where two roads cross one another. Say, crossroads. Now you're seeing a traffic light, a street or road signal. Say, traffic light. Sidewalk, a path for walking along the side of a road. Say, sidewalk. Crosswalk, a lane or path in a road where people cross. Say, crosswalk. Bus stop, a place where a bus regularly stops. Say, bus stop. Street parking, a place to park a vehicle. Say, street parking. Gas station, a place where fuel can be sold. Say, gas station. Bike lane, a road used only by people riding bicycles. Say, bike lane. Train station, a train stop where passengers can get on or off. Say, train station. Railroad, it is where a train travels along two metal rails. Say, railroad. Railroad crossing, a place where a railroad and a road crossed. Say, railroad crossing. Tunnel, an underground passageway. Say, tunnel. Bridge, a path that allows people to travel across. Say, bridge. And lastly, we have harbor, a place where ships can be found. Say, harbor. Now, let's play Say and Find. I am going to say the word and you're going to find it on the picture. Let's go! Find the street. You're correct. You found the street. Find the street light. You're correct. You found the street light. Find the crossroads. You're correct. You found the crossroads. Find the traffic light. You're correct. You found the traffic light. Find the sidewalk. You're correct. You found the sidewalk. Find the crosswalk. You're correct. You found the crosswalk. Find the street parking. You're correct. You found the street parking. Find the gas station. You're correct. You found the gas station. Find the bike lane. You're correct. You found the bike lane. Find the train station. You're correct. You found the train station. Find the railroad. You're correct. You found the railroad. Find the railroad crossing. You're correct. You found the railroad crossing. Find the tunnel. You're correct. You found the tunnel. Find the bridge. You're correct. You found the bridge. Find the harbor. You're correct. You found the harbor. That was a great job. Good job for that. I hope you learned a lot today.
See you next time!